Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be focusing on the anti-rolling tank vents when they're fitted. Not all ships have anti-rolling tanks, but for those that do, the venting system is absolutely essential for the system to function correctly. Anti-rolling tanks, also known as passive or controlled passive tanks, are large tanks partially filled with water, positioned high up and usually athwartship, meaning across the width of the vessel. Their entire purpose is to counteract the ship's roll or side-to-side motion, particularly in heavy seas, making the voyage more comfortable and safer. The mechanism is simple yet effective. As the ship begins to roll to one side, the water in the tank flows to the opposite side, creating a moment that opposes the roll. This flow of water acts as a dampener, significantly reducing the magnitude of the ship's oscillation. But here's where the vents come in. For the water to flow freely and rapidly from one side of the tank to the other, the air inside the tank must be able to escape and enter quickly. If the tank were completely sealed, the movement of the water would compress the air on one side and create a vacuum on the other, severely limiting the water's ability to move and thus neutralizing the anti-rolling effect. The anti-rolling tank vents are essentially large pipes that lead from the top of the tank up to the open air on the ship's deck or superstructure. They must be appropriately sized to ensure that the airflow is not restricted, maintaining a near atmospheric pressure within the tank as the water sloshes back and forth. You'll often see these vents topped with a gooseneck vent head or a mushroom-type vent cap. This specialized fitting prevents seawater, rain, or spray from entering the tank while still allowing the necessary air to pass freely in and out. Preventing water ingress is critical, as any additional external water could contaminate the anti-rolling tank's contents or even compromise its stability function. They must be regularly inspected to ensure they are clear of obstructions. Things like debris, ice in cold weather, or even nesting birds could block the airflow and render the entire expensive anti-rolling system useless. These vents must have proper closing arrangements, such as a butterfly valve or blanking plates for use during extreme weather or when the tank is out of service for maintenance. This is crucial for maintaining the watertight integrity of the vessel. The anti-rolling tank vents might look like simple pipes, but they are motion damping, ensuring the correct function of a system that dramatically improves seakeeping and passenger comfort. They perfectly illustrate how a small, seemingly insignificant component can be absolutely vital to a ship's overall performance and safety at sea. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.